Hi Dresso Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Piplup from Pokemon, so let's get started. To draw this cute penguin, let's first start by drawing its beak. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve, goes up nice and high, come right back down. Then from there I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. And then let's come to the bottom and we're going to draw another curve, but this time just a little bit shallower. And connect. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw Piplup's eyes. So they're going to be nice and big. We're going to come to the side and say about right, say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw this big oval. So I got one big eye in, come next to it about right here. We're going to do the same thing. So about right here. Nice big oval. So just want to make sure I'm about the same on the other side. There, so we got our two big eyes in. Let's come in here and I'm going to come right in this corner and draw a circle for a highlight. And then I'm going to come in and draw another oval. And this is where I'm going to shade everything in right here. And this is where you would put the color of Piplup's eyes. There. So let's do the same thing on this side. So big highlight right here, circle, and then we're going to go around it to draw another oval. And shade this part in. There. Okay, so now that I have these cute eyes in, let's go ahead and draw Piplup's head. So let's just make it a little bit easier. I'm going to come to the top of the eyes and then I'm going to come out to say about right here. And I'll just give myself a point. So same thing on the other side, about right here. From there is where I'm going to start to basically draw my usual dumpling shape. I'm going to come right here, go around the eye, and then I'm going to come in. So same thing right here. I'm going to curve right there, and then I'm going to bring it down underneath the beak. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point just so I know where I'm going since I'm drawing pretty big. So I'm just going to flatten out this curve. And definitely turn your paper if you need to. Whatever makes it easier for you to draw these curves. And right there, we're just going to go ahead and connect. There. And now we're going to draw the top of the head. So like I said, usual dumpling shape. So it's going to be a little bit narrower at the top. So let's say about right, let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself another point. That's my center, just so I know where I'm going. And now I'm going to go right back down. So if it's easier for you to draw Piplup's head shape first and then put in the beak and the eyes, you can definitely do that as well. Just sometimes I start with the eyes so I can make sure they're in the right place. But it really doesn't matter, whichever is easiest. Okay, so now that we have this big gigantic head in, let's go ahead and draw some details. I'm going to come right here where the beak is and I'm going to draw a curve that leans over, goes over the eye, and then we're just going to kind of taper it in right there. And same thing here. So about right here, we're going to go up, and I'm just going to drag this point across so I make sure I'm about the same height on the other side. And once again, I'm just going to drag another point. So it always helps when you drag points so that it's a little bit more even on both sides. There. And then let's draw some details right in the center. I'm going to find my center, and then about right here I'll give myself a point. From there I'm going to draw two angles. Bring it down a little bit more and then taper it out. There. Okay, so we're finally done with Piplup's head. Now to draw his cute little body. And let's see here. So I'm going to find my center once again, about right here. And we're going to draw this collar that he has. So I'm just going to go out, nice and big. And same thing over here. Nice big curve. So about right here. There. And then we're going to draw his body. So I'm going to come about right here. And we're just going to draw this cute little round body. So bring out a curve, and then we're going to round it off. About right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. Okay, so now that we have a round body, we are going to come right here and we're going to draw the feet. So we're going to come out to a curve and then just go ahead and taper it in. And then come right here and draw 2 curves. And so we're going to do the same thing here. So about right here and here. And 2 curves. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw his hands. So we're going to come right here, round off the tip, and bring it in. And same thing here. Round off the tip. About right there. And complete it. There. And then for last detail, we're going to draw 2 circles right here that connect, that touches this part right here. So just going to go ahead and draw one there and another one. So they're all done. I really hope you love how my Piplup here turned out and I helped you draw it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.